We are on day 3. Let me show you what I've done so far today. Also lost a half a day here to work, but let's get to it. And put in a new discharge back there, and also put new sink hose in and new through hull there as well. Gonna put a new hose in for the head sink. Gonna go and feed the 3/4 inch line into the engine room and get that secured to the air conditioning, and then also bring the power cord back for the air conditioning pump and get it back hooked up into the box. Plenty of sealant. So this is new for the air conditioning. These are existing, I replaced previous years. So now they're all gonna match. I just did this one for the kitchen sink. I have one more to go for the head sink. These were just original old through holes, nice and disgusting. So I wanted to take those out in case they got brittle or broke. And now everything around the boat will match. So cockpit drains, those match. Just put this third one in for dry bilge, and we have the 2 engine room bilge pumps right here. Slowly coming along. Underneath the boat, have the high-speed pickup installed. That was 5200 all the way around, and touch it up with some bottom paint, and I'll be ready to go. The next big project, and the last thing for holes in the boat, will be underwater lights, which will go back there. Had to sand the plastic off to punch this through. I could not get this nut to turn. There was just no room to get the channel locks on there to get that to go, so resorted to sanding. Gonna trim this down, get rid of all that nastiness.